Sizwe Dhlomo details random chest-bumping fight. After claiming to be verbally attacked by a stranger in a Wimpy, Sizwe Dhlomo channeled his inner WWE wrestler, charged at the man and chest-bumped him. Yes fam, Sizwe chest-bumped the dude. It all apparently started after Sizwe decided to grab a bite to eat at the restaurant at a mall in Witbank. Sizwe said he was listening to music when he noticed a lady waving at him. He thought she had recognized him through his TV work, so waved back. All of a sudden I snap out of it and I see this lady waving at me. I figure okay, she must recognize me from somewhere, so I wave back. She's sitting across from some dude, so he turns around and looks as who she's waving at. I carry on eating and bumping some music. The TV personality added that about 10 minutes later the dude returned and apparently started shouting at him. That's when he claimed he confronted the guy. That's when he says things got heated. Sizwe said he realized afterwards how funny the entire incident may have looked.